So yes, let us start. First of all, I am giving you a brief that किस तरीके से ये ग्रुप टास्क शुरू किया जाएगा. ग्रुप टास्क इस ऐसे किया जाएगा कि आई विल बी डिक्टेटिंग, शोइंग ऑल्सो एंड डिक्टेटिंग ए ग्रुप टास्क दैट आई हैव फ्रेम्ड. मैंने ही फ्रेम करी है एज पर माई नॉलेज. ठीक है, आपको ग्रुप टास्क जब मैं दे दूंगा उसके बाद मैं आपको 8 मिनट्स दूंगा उस ग्रुप टास्क के जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं उन क्वेश्चंस को जोट डाउन करने के लिए. क्वेश्चंस को नहीं बल्कि उनके सॉल्यूशंस जोट डाउन करने के लिए, ताकि आप उनके सॉल्यूशंस बना पाए. ठीक है, उसके बाद आई विल गिव यू 15 मिनट्स फॉर डिस्कशन. शार्प 15 मिनट्स आई विल गिव यू फॉर डिस्कशन. सभी ने, एवरीबडी हैज टू पार्टिसिपेट एक्टिवली. व्हेन आई से एक्टिवली, इट इन्वॉल्व्स बोथ एक्टिव लिसनिंग एंड एक्टिव डिलीवरी. After those 15 minutes, I will give you 3 more minutes for conclusion. ठीक है, यानी कि टोटल 18 to 20 minutes lump I will be giving for the entire group task. After that, 5 minutes I will give my remarks, not naming anyone. I will give my remarks, what I have seen, what can be improved and what was good. Individual marks out of 10 I will give you individually rather than sharing on the screen or sharing in the group. क्योंकि मैं ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि जिस पड़ाव पे आप आ गए हैं, नाउ कॉन्फिडेंस इज द मेन की. और मैं आपको कॉन्फिडेंस को, ना ही आपको ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट करना चाहता हूँ बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स देके, ना ही आपको लेस कॉन्फिडेंट करना चाहता हूँ आपको एवरेज मार्क्स देके. ठीक है, बिकॉज you have already qualified one important written examination, objective examination. आप इधर आए हैं तो you are the capable candidates. ठीक है, तो without wasting any time, I am sharing the case study. I will be dictating also this case study. Okay, क्योंकि हुआ क्या था, इंडियन ऑयल में एक एक फ्रेंड बता रहा था, ऐसा हुआ था कि केस स्टडी शो नहीं करी थी, डिक्टेट करी गई थी केवल. तो आई विल बी डिक्टेटिंग इट फॉर यू. ठीक है, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. द केस स्टडी नेम इज इंप्रूविंग मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. XYZ company is a MNC showing its presence in India and Middle East. The company has its business line in fast food products. Due to increase in health awareness and market propaganda against the fast food companies, the company is facing a decline in profits since past 1 year. The profits have declined by 15%. Also, the employees of the company are being poached by ABC company by giving them pay hikes. The company has now thought of referring a consultant company to regain its market presence and customer loyalty. You are the manager of the consultant company. The consultant company is catering its competitors already. The consultant company is catering its competitors already. You are having critical data of competitors of XYZ company and can actually leverage that. So this is the case study. I will repeat it again. Please, I am repeating it again for the sake of it. The case study name is Improving Marketing Strategies for Profitability. XYZ company is a MNC showing its presence in India and Middle East. The company has its business line in fast food products. Due to increasing health awareness and market propaganda against the fast food companies, the company is facing a decline in profits since past 1 year. The profits have declined by 15%. Also, the employees of the company are being poached by ABC company by giving them pay hikes. The company has now thought of referring a consultant company to regain its market presence and customer loyalty. You are the manager of the consultant company. The consultant company is catering its competitors already. You are having critical data of competitors of XYZ company and can actually leverage that. Now the question begins. I will be dictating those questions. Based on the case study, provide solutions to the following questions. Number one, mention 4 steps that you would take to get XYZ company out of the bad patch. Second, which marketing channels should be prioritized to increase profitability? Third, what changes to pricing or product bundling could improve profitability while maintaining customer satisfaction? I am repeating the questions again. Mention 4 steps that you would take to get XYZ company out of the bad patch. Which marketing channels, this is second question, which marketing channels should be prioritized to increase profitability? Third is, what changes to pricing or product bundling could improve profitability while maintaining customer satisfaction? Now, the concluding statement is develop practical data backed strategies that the company can implement to improve its marketing efforts and drive profitability. Means, first you have to discuss three questions answer, and then for the 3 minutes that I will be giving, you have to conclude it. So, uh, I hope the case study is clear to all of you. Now it is 11:10 in my watch. I am giving you 8 to 10 minutes to jot down your points, and then I will open the floor for 15 minutes for discussion. Okay, your time starts now. Thank you. Deepak, please open your camera. The camera has not to be switched off. 3 minutes left and just a small tip in between. जब भी आपको टाइम दिया जाए 8 minutes 10 minutes 5 minutes whatever, try to utilize that time as much as possible. Do not let your pen stop. आप जैसे भी पॉइंट्स आपके दिमाग में आप डालते रहो. Reason being is that for that day this is the last 8 to 10 minutes that will be given to you for thinking. इसके बाद सोचने का समय नहीं देंगे वो आपको. Please. Last 1 minute. Okay, so now I am opening the floor for discussion. You may unmute yourself and start the discussion. I am giving you 15 minutes from here now.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the group, I, Abhishek Kumar, would like to introduce the task to the group. So, XYZ is a company which have been into this fast food business for quite some time. But due to recent this health awareness and market propaganda, our profit has been declined by 15%. So, ABC is a company also which is poaching the companies from us. So, we are a member of a consultant company in which we have to find solutions to increase the profitability and to get out of this bad patch. So like we have to work on three things. First, to find some solutions for this getting out of this bad patch. Second will be marketing channels for profit, and third will be changing to pricing channels for increased profitability and value. So according to me, the first thing we should like consider as a solution is that general awareness for fast food and this poaching of like our employees will be the primary concern for me, because like general awareness is something which is going about this fast food and how is it bad for health. we can improve our transparency that this kind of ingredients are there in our fast food, and this transparency can lead to the like customer satisfaction into delight, like they will be very much satisfied that this company is ensuring that this kind of things are there in the product. And like it is for certain age groups the fast food is different, so we can show them that this is the things we are including in our product. And for the self coaching, we can simply do with the help of this emerging technologies like data science, the AI, ML, we can do SWOT analysis and find which are the what are the USPs the our competitors are missing. So like that we can have one USP of like 10-minute delivery that is in news of Blinkit and Zepto. We can consider that. Now I will like to invite the members of the group to give their discussion.
Yes, the
Thank
root
you,
cause
Abhishek,
of
for
company's
your
growth is
introduction.
mainly due to propaganda by media and the change of taste of people. Because nowadays people are concerned about their health, so I think we can add some of the healthy food items. Some people prefer diet foods, and some people prefer sugar-free items. So we can add these healthy food items. Also, we can provide proper information to the people so that we will be able to tackle the propaganda spread by the media, especially by giving TV ads and information about our product ingredients and health benefits of
Yeah.
our product. So we can tackle that misspread of um, uh, sorry spread of propaganda by the media. And
I really
also,
think that if there is a propaganda behind health awareness, then we should, as a manager of a consulting company, I would really focus on the point that which ingredients are the real main cause for the downfall of our profit. And secondly, I would make sure that what are the different things that other companies are doing in this aspect. I would never really disclose their ingredients, but I would really make sure कि we have a better certification and analysis of the ingredients that we use. And after making the changes that we can in the ingredients, we really focus on a free market survey in the within the customers, so that we can get a positive feedback or a negative feedback as well before again sending the product in the market.
Actually,
Yes,
I would
विशाल,
like
और
to
इसके अलावा हम
elaborate
क्या
the
कर सकते
discussion
हैं
of
कि जैसे
Vishal.
कि
Actually, he has
uh,
mentioned very well that ingredient is a very important source while deciding any food. So basically, we need to consider what ingredients are used, and on the basis of that, we have to do certain kind of marketing strategies. Like as you have said, certain ingredients that you have to mention. So, in order to do a proper marketing strategies, we can explain through a social medias that we are using those health conscious ingredients, which can be helpful for the health as well, and it will not have any deteriorating effect on the health. Apart from that, some marketing strategy that we can do is through the digital marketing as well, so for by launching the products into the front of the stores. Also with the help of mouth marketing is one of the important aspect. Like we need to gain the trust of the people. By gaining the trust of the people, we will be able to attract our customer toward the store.
I would like to
I
add
think
one point that what
कुछ
Bharat
ingredients
said,
ऐसे होते हैं जो
that one term is
मतलब
called influencer marketing. That is the cheapest mode of marketing right now. We can contact some small influencers which are present in on social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and which can promote our product on a vast basis, and we can have afford that marketing too, because our company is making currently in loss.
हाँ, हम इस तरह से भी
जैसे
सोच
अभिषेक
सकते
कुछ
हैं कि
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग का यूज
we
कर
should
सकते
do
हैं, क्योंकि ये सबसे सस्ता हमारा मार्केटिंग का तरीका होगा। सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग पे एक हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उन इन्फ्लुएंसर को हम अपने साथ रखें जो भी रिसेंटली ट्रेंडिंग में, क्योंकि लोग अभी यूथ का ऐसा होता है कि वो जो अभी ट्रेंडिंग में है उसको फॉलो करता है। तो हम इसके लिए जो ट्रेंडिंग में है उसको लें, उसके साथ साथ जो अभी ट्रेंड करेगा उसको हम लो बजट में ले सकते हैं, इससे हमारी कॉस्ट कटिंग होगी। और दूसरा क्या कर सकते हैं, हम पोस्टर्स का यूज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये जनरल देखने को मिलता है कि जो जिस चीज को जितना ज्यादा देखता है उसकी तरफ उतना भागता है। अगर हम किसी पर्सन को बार बार वही चीज दिखाएंगे तो उसके माइंड में एक बार के लिए तो आएगा कि चलो ठीक है, इसके लिए हम ट्राई करके देखते हैं कि ये चीज क्या है। और फिर वो हमारी तरफ आ सकता है।
Yes, yes,
Also,
there
I
are
would like to add, we should also improve food quality, like,
some people may not
and
like, because we are removing the some of the ingredients, so some of the people may not like the taste. So I think we can train our chefs to improve the taste with the existing ingredients along with some healthy addition of some healthy ingredients. Basically, like
Totally
a
agree
train.
with Deepak, but I will say that this health awareness among these our fast food products is very subjective thing. Like a person who has diabetes cannot consume this burger and all, but the same guy like 18-year children can consume that. So it is a very subjective thing, and we can
yeah,
market
the
them
main
with
thing.
तो
better
इसके
idea
लिए हम
also.
इसके लिए हम सर्वे भी करा सकते हैं कि जो कॉम्पिटिटर कंपनी इस टाइम
Yeah.
पे मार्केट में है उसके द्वारा
And
क्या
also,
अनफुलफिल्ड डिमांड्स हैं और क्या अनमीट डिमांड
और
है मार्केट के लिए।
इसके लिए हम प्राइसिंग में क्या कर सकते हैं कि जैसे प्राइसिंग में जनरली कस्टमर्स को ऑफर किया जाता है बाय वन गेट वन, बाय टू 20%। इसके अलावा हम क्या कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
कि हमारी
ऑफर्स रख
प्राइसिंग इस
सकते हैं।
तरीके से चेंज करें कि हम उनको रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स दें। जैसे कि कोई भी कस्टमर अगर 100 रुपीज का कुछ हमसे परचेज करता है तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम डिस्काउंट हम उसको रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स दें, लाइक 10 पॉइंट, 5 पॉइंट। और उसको फिर उसके लिए ये बोला जाएगा कि अब नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जब भी हमारे पास आते हो तो आप उन रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स को यूज कर सकते हो। इससे क्या होगा, एक चेन बनती हुई चली जाएगी कि कस्टमर बार बार हमारे पास आएगा, हमारे प्रोडक्ट को यूज करेगा।
We should
I just
also
want to add
collaborate
one
with
point here
Swiggy and
that
Zomato,
we need
like
to understand
ratings and all this.
also the demand
Also,
of
Blinkit-
nearby localities
Blinkit
as
से
well,
भी
because whether they are office going people, which people the people out staying over there, we need to establish what their demands are, and on the basis of that we can have one important point which we have missed, that we need to ensure that it is affordable to each and every people. Affordability is one of the important term out there. So with the help of some interesting attractive discounts giving to the people, it will be a better way to attract the customer towards the store.
I
We
agree.
should also install some.
हमारा प्रोडक्ट है,
We can introduce family pack.
और कंटिन्यूस सर्वे भी हम ले सकते हैं लोगों से ताकि बार बार
We
हमको
can also install some food courts, ice cream parlor in front of our fast food center, so that we can increase our sales by increasing ice cream.
Main reason
Okay,
in the
Bharat,
decrease
इसके
of
लिए हम क्या कर
profitability
सकते हैं
is
कि
because of the
हम जो
customers that we had. We have lost our customers. Now, if we want to gain back our customers, we have done the positive changes in the ingredients that we needed to do. Now, what we can do is total cost should be applied by the company on a free market survey, so that we can make sure that we get a proper feedback from every customer. And if we are not getting it, then we should again work on the ingredients as well. As far as pricing goes, I don't really think that price should be undervalued at any cost of time, because we have done a free market survey, and price should be as it is, or we can even increase our price to gain back our profitability. Reason being, it is a health awareness situation. Every customer who is focusing on their health, they are ready to pay extra amount that we can analyze very easily by as being a consultant manager. So I would really
Also, we can introduce some new products.
We can provide special foods on festivals. We can provide
special foods.
festival specific food so that we will get new customers. Along also, we can retain our existing
And
customers.
to add on what Deepak is saying, like for this marketing thing, we can include a 10-minute delivery. That kind of thing is will be like recently introduced in the market, which is like collaboration among GOVT and Blinkit.
Yeah.
So because in that we have urban warehouses for that particular warehouses. So which we can deliver that food in a very less amount of time, very efficiently. That can also increase our marketing area. Like our target audience will be more, because everyone in this digital world wants that food to be delivered as soon as possible. So that can also we can do.
As Abhishek
Okay,
has
what,
mentioned now about it is about actually the logistic of the company that we have to maintain. So as mentioned in the paraphrase, like they are laying off the employees. So we need to ensure that few expertise employees from the logistics team should be hired, so that they can maintain well these part, that coordination with the Blinkit or Zepto, that coordination should be done separately with the logistic teams.
And I think,
The separate
gentlemen,
team should
we
not
are
be-
missing
If
that
we
point of
employ
like how we can how we can restrict the poaching of our employees, because our employees will be our greatest asset to us. And if their expertise is getting poached by some other company, then we have to look on some certain things, that what are our long-term goals and achievements, because that belongingness can only retain our our employees back, because that other company
इसके लिए
is
हम क्या कर
giving a
सकते हैं
salary
कि जो
hike.
भी हमारे
So
एम्प्लॉयज हैं जो भी हमारे
if salary is the issue, we can have one faith in them, that if our company goes in profit at some point of time in in recent time, then we can also give that particular salary hike. So it is a part of our long term goals, that if the employees is associated with that with us for a long time,
पहले शॉर्ट
we can
टर्म
also
गोल्स के लिए भी
do
सोचना
that.
पड़ेगा ना.
But
उसके
we
लिए
cannot
मेरे
give
पास आइडिया है कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि जैसे कि हमें उन्हें पीआरपी सिस्टम रखें कि परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड पे, लाइक अगर कोई भी एम्प्लॉय है उसको हम 50 की जगह 60,000 सैलरी देंगे, दैट इज ओके कि हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा तब हम कर सकते
but
हैं,
we
लेकिन
cannot
हम स्टार्टिंग में
give
क्या कर
salary
सकते
for
हैं
all
6
people, no?
मंथ 1 ईयर में, नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ और 1 ईयर में उनके परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड पे देंगे. जब उनके पास एक साल में बल्कि में
Poaching of
पैसा
employee
आएगा तो
पोचिंग
उनको
ऑफ
भी अच्छा
एम्प्लॉय
लगेगा. और
मेन
उसके लिए
रीजन भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि ट्रस्ट ना बिल्ड हो रहा हो कंपनी के साथ. अगर एम्प्लॉय के वैल्यूज बिल्ड ना हो रहे हो कंपनी के साथ, उनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स
No,
मतलब उनका
I think they
प्रोसेस ऑफ
mentioned that the main reason is the salary hike. They have mentioned that, so we can only consider that into account. We can move forward.
ओके ओके ओके.
उसके लिए उन्हें हम इंक्रीमेंट वो इंसेंटिव्स दे सकते हैं रेगुलरली, और जो हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं हमारे एम्प्लॉयज के लिए हम उनको एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट दे सकते हैं कि अगर वो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हमारी कंपनी का
Or
परचेज
other
करेंगे
we
तो
or
उन्हें
other we
एक्स्ट्रा
can do a
डिस्काउंट मिलेगा.
brainstorming session in which we'll ask our employees that only the salary hike is the reason, or anything other than that is the reason, in which you are trying to leave the company and join some other new company which is new in the business, because it is given that we have been a reputed company in the Middle East, so that our legacy is strong. So the goals and the visions of the company match with the employee, then the employees job security and their future is also secure with us, not with the other company.
Also, one
और
thing
एक हम
is that
प्राइस में भी थोड़ा
sanitation is
चेंज कर
also
सकते हैं. हम
an
प्राइसिंग के साथ
important
क्या कर
aspect.
सकते हैं कि
So we need to take in mind that the packaging is done very well, so that customer will be happy with the packaging. Apart from that, sanitation will be maintained properly throughout. In case of a customer is entering into the store, so he sees the sanitation very properly maintained and hygienic.
Yeah, we should also improve the quality of food stalls and all the
Exactly.
other ice cream products. Also, we can introduce some new dishes in the restaurant to attract new customers. And so the
Yeah,
fast food is like
we can research
uh,
this the new domains of the our competitors in which they are excelling, and consider that in our services, and make a USP of our product, like what is the unique in our product, that how it is healthy than the other company of product, and also how can it we can have more certifications, and
Yes, yes, yes.
Vishal
I
has
agree.
mentioned earlier also. By that we can build trust among the customers, and the transparency will be also there, that what they are eating,
also
it is same that we are given to them.
yeah. Also, the fast foods are mainly attracted by youth. So we have to, in order to attract youth, we can use some also Instagram, social media to
But I think we have
influence them.
discussed that thing in
Group,
influencer marketing.
Yeah.
All those areas are covered in influencer marketing.
group. 15 minutes are over. Now I am giving you 3 more minutes for conclusion. Thank you.
So thank you, gentlemen, for the participation. On behalf of the group, I will have to conclude. So, the first steps that we can take for this, getting out of this bad patch, will be having more certifications for the transparency among customers. We can have for this marketing purpose, we can have this influencer marketing, in which we can spend less, and our target audience will be getting targeted every time. This and this for this uh, pricing thing, we can have this bundle. For this we can have reward points, for which we can give the rewards for one purchase, and next purchase we can have that some discount associated with that reward point. And for this marketing thing, we can also have this 10-minute delivery thing, in which we can sell our products through those Swiggy, Zomato and all, but also ensure this USP of 10-minute delivery, which can add our value and will be a unique thing among all the our like competitors. So thank you everyone.
So Abhishek, I want to add few points over there.
Okay.
We need to do the identify the root cause first of all, then understand the demand of nearby locality people, what they are demanding. Apart from that, as far as marketing is concerned, we need to do some offering attractive discounts. Apart from that, to gain the trust of the customer, we need to do some mouth marketing as well. As far as the health is concerned, as Vishal has already mentioned, that we need to take care of the certain ingredients that has to be used to make the food much healthier. So that's all from my side. I would like to hand over the discussion to other team members.
Also, to add to this, that one point that Gaurav added, that if we are adding value to our product, then we should make sure that it doesn't look cheap from the outside. So yes, food packaging is something that should be kept in mind, so that customers don't feel that they are trying to improve something and then degrading something. So that is one point we can add here.
Also, sanitizing the food stalls and all the fast food centers also will be the conclusion, so that we can attract our customers to the fast food centers and improving food quality.
सबसे पहले तो हमको कंपनी को पहले बैड पैसा निकालना पड़ेगा, तो पहले उसके लिए सोचने के लिए हम पहले ये सोच सकते हैं कि जो कॉम्पिटिटर कंपनी है उसकी अनफुलफिल्ड डिमांड्स क्या हैं लोगों के लिए। तो उसके लिए पहले हमें अनफुलफिल्ड डिमांड्स को नोट करना पड़ेगा, रेगुलर सर्वे लेना पड़ेगा अपनी कंपनी को एस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए। तो उसके बाद जो कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम हमारा कस्टमर एरिया बनाने के लिए हम डिफरेंट तरह के मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक अभी फास्ट डिलीवरी मेथड्स है और हेल्दी फूड आइटम्स है और रिवार्ड्स पॉइंट्स जो हम दे सकते हैं। और उसके अलावा थर्ड पॉइंट में ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि जो हम अपनी जो नई कंपनी जो कोलैबोरेशन में बना रहे हैं, इसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के थ्रू भी हम एडवर्टीजमेंट कर सकते हैं अपनी कंपनी का, ताकि लोगों को और अट्रैक्ट हो इसकी तरफ। और फोर्थ पॉइंट में ये कहना चाहूंगा कि हम जो मार्केट में जो भी प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं या फिर कंपनी के साथ हैं, तो वो प्रोडक्ट हमारे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग और हमारे बजट के अकॉर्डिंग सूटेबल है या नहीं है, जिससे कंपनी अपने पैच क्राइसिस से बाहर आए।
प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हमारे जो एक्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉइज हैं एंड शेफ्स हैं, हम उनको ट्रेन भी कर सकते हैं टू एनहांस देयर स्किल्स, कुकिंग स्किल्स, so that they can make better products.
We can have this cross functionality among teams also, which we can have a widespread amount of skill set associated with that employee also, and we can have a X amount of performance we can get from less number of employees if we do this cross functionality thing among them. That can also increase our productivity.
Thank you all. The time is over. We have given 15 minutes for discussion and then 3 minutes for conclusion. Thank you, guys.